Meaning of definite article.
Definite article.
Definite article.
Definite article.
Definite article. A definite article is a type of article that is used to refer to a specific noun that is already known or has been previously mentioned. In the English language, the definite article is expressed as the. It is used to specify a particular person, place, thing or idea, and distinguishes it from other similar nouns. For example, the car refers to a specific car that has been previously mentioned or is already known. Overall, the definite article serves to provide clarity and specificity in language, thereby aiding effective communication.